Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today's video is a very special one. I am going to show you how to make a full meal, but no cooking. Full meals, no cooking. So as you can see here, no gas stove, no rice cooker, no induction cooker.
No microwave, no air fryer.
Oh yes, no microwave, no air fryer too. Come, let's start. The first item on the menu, we'll make a beetroot raita. Here I have taken a small portion of beetroot, washed it, peeled it and grated it and kept ready. Now I have about 1 cup of curd here. First we'll beat the curd till it is nice and smooth. Whisk it very well like this. Now I am adding beaten curd to the bowl. A little bit of salt, a few green chilies chopped. Now add in this grated beetroot to it and mix it all well together. You get a lovely pink colored raita, very pleasant to look at. So our beetroot raita perfectly done. First item ready. For a full meal we need a sweet and we are going to make mango payasam. For this I have taken 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts and soaked them in milk for about half an hour. Now we will grind this cashew nut into a paste. See, our cashew has been ground. I have not made it into a fine paste. Small bits if they are, it will add to the taste of the payasam. Here I have taken out the pulp of 1 ripe mango. We will add that also to the blender jar. This is some jaggery powder. Blend everything together again for another minute or so. I am just adding a little bit of milk to this. Now blend everything together for a few seconds more. Here I have a few strands of saffron soaked in a little bit of milk. And your delicious mango payasam is ready. Next we will make one more sweet, that's a dates and nut laddu. Here I have taken a handful of dates and removed the seeds and kept them. We will just chop them into pieces and blend them in the mixie jar so that they get mashed. Also I am adding a few cashew nuts to this. See, the dates have been well mashed along with the cashew also. Just shape them into laddus like this. See, we have got about 7 laddus. Now just this is white til or sesame seeds. Just roll it in this. A very healthy and nutritious laddu. See, our very nutritious dates and nuts laddu is ready. We are ready to serve this out also. Next we will make a very healthy salad. Here I have some grated carrots and a few chopped green chilies, salt to taste. I had already soaked some peanuts for about 4 hours, so you can add a tablespoon of soaked peanuts to this. A few coriander leaves. Here I have squeezed out some juice from lemons and kept ready. Now mix all the items well together. You have a lovely crunchy and tasty salad. Let's serve this out. So a colorful, healthy carrot and peanut salad is now ready. The next item, another nutritious salad using whole green moong. See here, I have soaked the whole green moong for about 8 hours. We will drain out the water and take the moong onto a plate. Add some chopped cucumber to this. Some chopped green chilies. Of course, all of you are now familiar with my love for peanuts. So some soaked peanuts over there. I had soaked it earlier and kept. Fresh grated coconut. Coriander leaves. Some salt to taste. And a little bit of lemon juice. Mix everything together. Our tasty green salad, whole green moong, cucumber and some peanuts with fresh grated coconut, lemon juice is now ready to be served out. Whenever we have any full meal, we want some tangy pickle also at the side. So we are going to make Amla pickle. Amla is this Indian gooseberry which I have grated and kept ready. So you take a little bit of this grated amla in a bowl. This is some peeled and grated ginger. So we are going to use ginger for the spice. Some salt to taste. And lemon juice. Now we will give everything a good mix. A simple and tasty pickle is now ready. Amla salted pickle with lemon juice in it. Till now we have made so many side dishes. You must be wondering what the main dish is, and that too without cooking. We are going to use poha or avel or the flattened rice flakes. First I will make a lemon poha. So here I have the rice flakes. You can take the medium variety. I am taking about 1 cup. Wash it thoroughly and then just allow it to drain and keep it aside for 10 minutes. See, our poha has been washed and drained well. Nice fluffy separate grains we have. Take this washed and drained poha in a plate. Add salt, a pinch of haldi or turmeric powder, lemon juice, a few chopped green chilies, a little bit of grated ginger, some soaked groundnut, a little bit of coriander leaves, few curry leaves, and this is optional. I am adding a tablespoon of fresh grated coconut. If you like, you can add, otherwise you can omit it also. Now mix everything well together so that all the tastes get blended. The salt, lemon juice, green chilies. So our tasty lemon poha is ready in just no time. The trick in making this is just wash and immediately drain. Then only it will be nice and fluffy like this and it won't get mashed. I will transfer it into the serving bowl. Next item, we will make a curd poha. Here again you take this rice flakes, also known as poha or avel. I am taking 1 cup of this and we wash it thoroughly, drain it and then come back after 10 minutes. Now see, our poha has washed and drained also well. Now we can transfer this to our bowl. So our soaked poha, washed and drained well. Just add a little bit of salt, a few green chilies chopped, some grated ginger, curry leaves, coriander leaves, few chopped cashew nuts, and this is some curd, fresh curd. We can add to this. Mix everything well together. See, this will need little more curd. And since we are in the midst of mango season, some finely chopped raw mangoes on this will just take the taste to a different level. Only make sure that you add a sufficient quantity of curd, that is dahi or yogurt, to it, because the poha will tend to absorb the liquid. So keep it to a little flowing consistency like this. Don't make it very thick, and this is fine. Our absolutely heavenly curd poha, mix it with nice cold curd. Simply divine in this hot summer months. Another summer coolant, I am going to make cucumber tair pachadi, that is raita. So I have peeled and finely chopped some cucumber. You can take it in a bowl. Add some curd to this. A pinch of salt. Some finely chopped green chilies. Half a spoon of grated coconut. And a little bit of grated ginger. Mix all these ingredients well together, and your delicious cucumber raita is ready. You can just top it up with a few fresh coriander leaves. Summertime, how was it to quench your thirst with a lovely delicious lassi? So let's make that now. I have taken some fresh curd in my blender jar. We'll add some ice cubes to this. Add some sugar. Here I have some powdered cardamom for flavor. Top it up with some fresh homemade malai or cream. You can add a few chopped nuts too if you like. And there, your delicious lassi is also ready now. Next we'll make a lovely welcome drink using these luscious watermelons. So I have peeled and chopped some lovely luscious watermelons here. If you like, you can just add a small pinch of pepper powder to this. This is again optional. If you like, you add. We'll blend the drink. Tasty watermelon welcome drink also ready. Fruit is already chilled and just adding some ice cubes to it. So you can begin your meal with this lovely watermelon drink. Now we come to the final item on our menu, that is a chutney. So which you can use it like a pickle also. It is inji togel. So togel is a Tamil word for chutney. So here I have about half a tablespoon of grated ginger. Now to this add some fresh curry leaves which I washed and kept. Adding some raw mango. If you don't get mango, you can use tamarind paste also instead. Salt, and we'll blend it all into a paste. Add only a little bit water for blending because you want a thick paste. Our healthy green togel or green chutney made with ginger, raw mango and curry leaves is now ready. So now we are all ready to serve out our meal. Before I serve it out, let me just share with you a peek into my pre-preparation. See, once you keep all these items ready, you can make everything very quickly. Peel and chop the vegetables, for example, cucumber, carrot, watermelon, and of course I had the poha ready here. Grated coconut, beetroot, amla, that is gooseberry, coriander leaves. You need to soak groundnuts and soak the moong. You can soak it overnight or 8 hours ahead. Jaggery powder and what other little things you need, salt, pepper, cashew, dates, and so on. Once you have this ready and your curd is also set, this entire meal can be made ready and served in under 15 minutes. So come, let's see how to serve this. We'll serve it out in the traditional way using a banana leaf. I've already washed it, but before serving, again sprinkle some water and clean it once again. For those who are not familiar, I am just showing you. First we have our lovely welcome drink of watermelon juice. Next, our colorful beetroot pachadi. Pachadi is the name for raita, and this is our cucumber raita or cucumber tair pachadi. Next are green moong and peanut cucumber salad. This is our carrot salad with lemon juice in it. This is the amla and ginger pickle. Amla is gooseberry, Indian gooseberry. And our healthy curry leaves ginger chutney. Lemon poha. Our curd poha with lovely raw mangoes also in it. Our delicious mango payasam, and finally a cool glass of lassi. And of course our dates and nut laddu, not to be missed out. I hope you found this interesting and enjoy this healthy, nutritious meal. Full meal, no cooking, no oil, and ready in a matter of minutes. So especially in these summers, we don't want to spend long hours in the kitchen. So this is a wonderful way to enjoy a very, very healthy and nutritious meal. This is also a Saatvik food, no onion, no garlic. So for Ekadasi days also you can use these kind of foods and enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.